might be affecting the Earth. It's a puzzle that led one man to look away from the sun and focus instead on the rivers around the Iguazu Falls. Argentine astrophysicist Pablo Maus.
It's a very large river. It's the fourth river in the world. And like other larger rivers than the Paraná, for example, the Amazon or Congo, we have data of this river for the whole 20th century.
So you can look back to, what, about 1900?
Yes, from 1900, 1904. And this is because this is a river that can be navigated by very large ships.
Pablo brought the statistical tools of a physicist to bear on 100 years' worth of precious river records. What emerged was that the river, too, had a rhythm.
We found that the stream flow of the river goes up and down and up again and down again 3 times during the century. And we went further trying to understand why.
The amount of water in the Paraná River seems to be following a pattern. The question is, what could be driving the change in these vast river systems? Pablo first looked at the 11-year sunspot cycle, but found no fit. So instead, he turned to calculations that describe the sun's underlying brightness during the last century. He showed me what happens when you superimpose this solar data on the water levels in the river.
You see that when the sun goes up, the river goes up.
So what this is saying is around 1925 or so that there was more solar activity. So the amount of really the solar radiation falling on the Earth.
Right, there was relatively more activity, solar activity in these 3 periods we can see here.
I mean, it's a beautiful correlation between the water flow, the flow in these rivers and the solar output.
We find it's a very striking correlation.